AI is moving into factories, retail spaces, and private enterprise networks. But not every business dataset should be sent to the public cloud. ALNETS Edge P2000 is an edge AI compute host designed for on-site deployment. It features the NVIDIA RTX PRO 2000 Blackwell GPU, 16GB GDDR7 ECC memory, and 545 AI TOPS. It can support local inference services for vision, speech, translation, retrieval, and compact AI models. Images, voice data, camera streams, and business documents can be processed inside the customer's local network. The default bypass mode helps with network deployment and remote maintenance. In isolated compute mode, AI services are provided to internal devices, reducing public network exposure. Beyond the current RTX PRO 2000 configuration, this platform can also offer RTX PRO 4000, 5000, and 6000 GPU options based on project needs. Edge P2000 brings flexible edge AI compute to the scale of each customer's on-site business.